What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Hope y'all had a good day. Today we're going to be talking about my favorite subject, the stock market. Now on this channel, we're going to be talking about everything in terms of growth, everything in terms of making money, and the thing that's made me a lot of money over the years is the stock market. Okay? Now, I know a lot of people hear about it in the news. I know a lot of people know it's tied to the economy, and it is a great tool that's been used for over 200 years to help people make money. Now, don't feel bad if you haven't gotten in on it or if you don't have anything tied to it right now. It is okay. A little bit about me: I started playing in the stocks at 23 years old. I am the product of immigrant parents, and they knew nothing about the stock market. There was no teaching for me. All I knew was to save my money. And how did I get into the stock market? Well, when I had just graduated school, I was spending a lot of money. I was going out, I was buying clothes, I was buying whatever I want, flying wherever I wanted to, doing whatever I wanted to. I was spending about $1,500 a month in partying, hanging out, and I was having anxiety because I knew just didn't feel right. I knew there was another way, like there was something else I was supposed to be doing with my money. And the stock market is it. You can make a lot of money forever. The stock market is not going anywhere. So today I want to tell you how to get in on the stock market, how to get started, and how to invest like my mama. Now, right now, since I've been playing in the stocks for about 6 years, I'm on some crazy stuff right now. I'm doing some strategies. I got spreadsheets and boards, and I'm doing something crazy right now. And you don't really need to worry about that. I want you to invest like my mama. I want to give you a guaranteed way to make some money right now in the stock market. You just gotta manage your risk. Now, the stock market is basically you just buying a piece of a company. Basically, companies use the stock market to raise capital so they can have extra money to grow, invest, and develop new products. So if you buy a company that's growing and selling more, that stock goes up. If you buy into a company that's selling less and doing worse, that stock goes down. Now, to manage your risk, because you don't have time to learn about all these stocks and check charts, a great thing that's been created is called a mutual fund and an index fund. These funds are managed by smart people in big companies, and they buy large amounts of these stocks and put them into a collection of stocks that produce an annual return over the last 70 years of about 6 to 10% annually. 6 to 10% annually on your money. It's almost like a guarantee, okay? Now, what else is getting you 6 to 8% on your money? Nothing, okay? I'm telling you what, you don't have to call nobody. You don't have to sell anything to anyone. You can sit at your house, look at some numbers, read some news articles about good companies, invest in these companies, and make 6 to 8% on your money, maybe 10% even a year. Okay? It's simple. How are we gonna get into this? Well, first thing you want to do is download Robinhood. It's the #1 app that you use to invest in stocks for new stock traders and new people who want to start an income just on the side passively. Robinhood. Download the app Robinhood. Then you're going to want to look at these charts. You want to download TradingView. That's an app where you can just look at charts. And also, if you have an iPhone, you can just put in stocks on your iPhone in your stocks app. It's really, really simple, okay? Now, to get started, to get this 6 to 10% annual return, all you have to do is buy mutual funds and index funds, like I said before. Now, the top ones right now are SPY, VOO, and OGIG. Now I bring up those. SPY tracks the S&P 500. It is doing great right now. But SPY is going at about $316. That's what you're looking at. To get a 6 to 8% return a year, you can buy each share for $316. Now you can look at BOO. It's trading at around $290. And you're saying, well, that's a lot of money. I don't know if I want to get into that. Well, we have OGIG, which tracks all of the cloud-based companies, and it's only going for about $42 right now. We're talking about 6 to 8% returns, and they don't take much off the top. I want you to download Robinhood. I want you to just Google it. Anything you want to know, just Google it. Top index funds, top mutual funds. You buy that, set it and forget it. Throw money in there and just keep piling it up, and your money will grow. People always want a quick look at passive income. This is it, okay? There's no scheme. You don't have to talk to no one. You don't have to get 3 friends to sign up. Download an app, throw some money in there, buy some stocks, and you're booming, okay? You are booming. It is the wave. Aren't you like going out and spending your money on things that aren't making you money? It's costing you a lot of money. You know, you love money. You try to get money. And the stock market is how to do it. We're gonna go in this channel deeper into other things that you can get a lot more money. But I just wanna get you started with the stock market, okay? The stock market is the plug, it's the way, it's step number 1 to financial freedom. People have been using this for over 200 years. Okay, there are trillions of dollars in assets in the stock market. Don't be afraid. People are getting money off this. People have been getting money off this before I was here, before you were here, and they continue to get money. I believe in you. I know you want this money. Why do I have this smile on my face? Why have I chosen to live less of a lifestyle? Because I'm happy knowing I got money. It's money. It's crazy. Okay? How did I get started? I got started with 2 shares of Apple. I bought 2 shares of Apple for $115 each 5 years ago. And that thing went down to $75 within like the first 3 months. Apparently I bought at a bad time. I didn't know. Never sold those shares, moved on, started doing some other things. I checked back on that account that I bought those little 2 shares in. It's worth almost $800. Apple's now at $383. Okay, what did I do? Did I have to call anybody? No, but I just more than tripled my money. Okay, I tripled my money. Double up, triple up. That's what the song's about. Let's get this money, let's get this work, okay? After we get into the stock market, we can go way deeper. There's a lot more things, a lot more strategies we can go into that's gonna help you get a lot more money. But I just wanna put you on notice that the stock market is the wave, okay? Like, subscribe. I hope you have a beautiful day. Peace.